Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, we were doing chapter number 2, system of real numbers, exponents and radicals, and this is the chapter belongs to your arithmetic section, and I am your math teacher, Miss Falak Nas. Okay, now what is our today's lecture content? Exercise number 2.7, and what you have to do right now, just simply copy down the index in your copy. Open your arithmetic copy and write down index in arithmetic copy along with today's date, which is 13/1/21, and this is exercise number 2.7, question number 10. Okay, so kindly write down index, everyone. Hurry up, I'm waiting for your answer. Done. Very good. Regent says yes, done. Okay. Okay, done. Iman, I want to check your answer today as well. Okay, Iman, so you should have to turn on your video. Iman asks if I'm talking to you. Now let's start the question. Okay, in exercise number 2.7, what do you have? You have to simplify. Now, this is an example for question number 10. And you have to listen this example very carefully, as your question number 10 is somehow like this, but a little bit different. Understand? Now, I'm starting the video. Now look at here. This is our question. Please tell me, is it visible? Is it visible? Write it down in the chat box. Yes. Is there any problem? Okay, that's good. I just zoomed up steps. Okay, I zoomed the video today so that you can see each step very clearly. Why, Abdul Rahman, you says no miss? Check your internet connection. Maybe due to your internet connection, because all of you are saying that you can see it. Okay, and I don't think it is blur. Now I'm going to start it. Now, how will you do your work? Okay, that's okay, Abdul Rahman. I'm starting the lecture. Now look at here. First, you will write down the date, then question numbers, exercise number 2.7. And which question is this? Obviously, this is an exemplary question for question number 10. Okay. Now, what you will do, first you will write down the heading simplify, then you will copy down the question from book. This is an example. Okay. I hope it is clear. This is an example. Okay. Now, for this, question number 10, Talha, but please listen this question. This is an example, then I will tell you, Talha. Okay, just a minute. Now look at here. First, you will write down the heading solution. Understand? Then you will copy down the question again. What is your question? Now look at here. First, you have 216. It has whole power, that is square. Okay, then multiply by 27, which has no power, right? Which has no power. Then divided by 64, which has a power square, and this whole term has a power, which is what power it has? 1 upon 3. What power is it? 1 upon 3. Now look at here. What does it mean, 1 upon 3? As you all know that 1 upon 3 is equals to cube root. It is equals to cube root. Now 1 upon 3 or cube root, both are same things. So what does it mean? It has cube root, means here you in the denominator you have cube. So what you have to do, inside the brackets, what the number is given, you have to take the cube of 216, cube of 27, and cube of 64. Why cube? Because this is the cube root, 1 upon 3. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out the cube of 216, cube of 27, and cube of 64. Now look at here, cube of 216, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Okay, 216. So what you will say, that it is equals to 6 cube. Okay, if we will look into 27, so 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Okay, so it is equals to 3 cube. Why we are taking? Because here you have cube, right? Now 64, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So 64, so you will see that the cube, it is the cube of 4. Okay, it is the cube of 4, 4 cube, 3 cube, and 6 cube. So basically the cube of 216 will be what? You will say that it is 6 cube. Understand? 6 cube, right? And then it has a whole power which is square. Clear? Then the sign of multiplication. Now this is 27. So what is it? It is 3 cube. Okay, it is 3 cube, and it does not has any whole power. Just a minute, I am trying to clear it little bit, because now, right, just a minute. Yes, now it is clear. Now look at here. This is 3 cube, right? Then divided by what you have, 64. So 64 is the cube of 4, right? So you will write 4 cube, and it has whole power which is square. Understand? Now this whole term has a whole power which is 1 upon 3, which is 1 upon 3. Now what you have here, power of the power. Here you not have, do not have power to the power, but here you have power of the power. So when you have power of the power, so what you will do, you will simply multiply the power. So when you will multiply 3 by 2, so it will become 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. So in the next step, what I am going to do, I am going to multiply power to the power. I will take the base, which is 6. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. So 6 power 6. Understand? 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. So 6 power 6. Then the sign of multiplication, right? Then this is 3. Okay, now it does not have any whole power to the power. So simply you will write it down in this way, 3 cube. It has 1 power. So 3 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3, right? Now move to the denominator. Now again you have the base, which is 4. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. Clear? And this whole term has a power which is 1 upon 3. Is it clear? Clear? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? What you will do in the first step, simply copy down the question, then you will take the cube. Why you are taking the cube? Because it is, you have cube in the denominator, so you have to take cube of every number. Okay, now look at here. What you will do, as you can see, this whole term has a power, means this power is along with this one. This term has this power 1 upon 3. We are removing it, beta. We are write down the root here, then we will multiply it. Just a minute, Simon. Okay, we are not canceling it. In the next step, I'm going to cancel it. Understand? Just suppose if you have, just a minute, look at here. Now what you will do, you are going to multiply each power with the power, each power with the power. So how will you write it down here? You will write 6. Okay, you will write here 6. Okay, then this power 6 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Okay, Understand? Then multiplication sign, then this 3, and then the power 3, which is going to be multiplied this 1 upon 3. Understand? Then divided by 4, and the 4 has the power 6, which is going to be multiplied with the whole power, which is 1 upon 3. Clear? 1 upon 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, in the next step, as you can see, you can cancel with each other. Here you have 3 in the denominator, and here you have 6 in the numerator. So you will cancel it. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Understand? Here you have 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Right? And then you have here 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Clear? Is it clear? What you will do, first you will take the cube. Okay, first you will take the cube, then you will multiply power with the power, and then you will multiply power with the whole power. Understand? Power with the whole power, that is 1 upon 3, and then simply you will cancel it. Okay, is it clear? Now what will be left here with 6? What you will left with 6? Here you have only 2. 2 is left here. Here you have left with only 1. Okay, and with 4 you have 2. What power is left here? 2. Clear? So in the next step, I'm moving on to the next page. This is my next page. Okay, so I'm going to write here that what was left here, 6 की power कितनी रह गई थी वहाँ पे? Square multiply by 3 with left no power divided by 4 square. Understand? Look at here. This one. 6 square multiplied by 3 has no power, that is 1 power. So simply we will write, no need to write here 1. And the last one is 4 square. Okay. So simply I'm going to write here 4 square. Is it clear? Now look at here what we will do with this one. Now as you can see, this is 6. So what you will do, simply we will multiply 6 by 2 times. 6 has a square. So what does it mean? 6 multiplied by 6 will be equals to 36. And 4 has a square. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. We have to simplify it now, because we cannot leave it here, because we have to simplify this step as well. So how will you simplify it? Now simply you will open the powers. Okay. So the 6 square will be equals to 36. Understand? Multiply by 3 divided by 4 square. 4 square is equals to 16. Understand? Clear? Now what we will do? We will do cancellation. We will do cancellation. We can divide this 16 and 36 with which number? With 4. Means 4 4s are 16 and 4 9s are 36. Okay, 4 4 16, 4 9 36. We are going to divide it by 4. Okay, now what is left here? 9 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. Okay, now as you can see, no more numbers can be cancelled. So simply you will multiply the numerator with the numerator. So 9 multiplied by 3 will be 27 divided by 4. Okay, should we stop here? Or we can simplify this step more? Should we stop here? Simplify. Now how will we, I'm going to simplify it, because 4 and 27 cannot be cancelled. So what we will take? What we will do with 27 upon 4? We will convert this. Yes, we will divide it and convert it into mixed fraction. So for this, first of all, you should have a working column, proper working column. Okay, in the working column, mixed number. Yes, I'm going to convert it into mixed number. Simply how? Simply I will write here 27 and 4. So 4 into 6 is 24. Divide 7 minus करेंगे. So 24 minus 7 will be 27 will be 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? 6 whole 3 upon 4. This will be our answer. That's it. Simple. This is very simple and very easy. I'm repeating again. This is your question. Okay, this is your question and you have to take the cube root. So you have to identify which cube root of which cube is given. 216 is a cube of 6, 27 is a cube of 3, and 64 is a cube of 4. Then in the next step we are going to multiply power with the power. So 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, and here you have power 1. So simply you will write here 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. Now again, this whole term has a whole power, so power will be multiplied with each power. Okay, then simply you will cancel it. Okay, now this is the way to solve question number 10. Now what you have to do, listen, students. Done. How many of you has done question number 10? Yes, you have to do question number 10 in your copy. Manahil, what do you want to ask, Bete? Just a minute, Manahil. Manahil, do you want to ask something? Okay, all of you has done. Please tell me. Yes, shuru kar dijiye class. Try to start solving question number 10 from book. Okay, I'm going to show you which is question number 10. Just a minute. This was the example that I have solved. Okay. Okay, now solve question number 10 of exercise number 2.7. Everyone solve it. Okay, I'm checking your answers. Yes. Hamza. Okay, I'm checking all of your answers. Just a minute. Zimmer says 10. Abdurrahman 10. Okay. Hamza says 10. Meda. Yes, Meda. What do you want to ask? Okay. Okay, Talha says 10. Okay. Now I'm about to check your answers. Just a minute. I'm going to check your answers. Just a minute. Now look at here. Wait for a minute. Please turn on your videos, everyone. Just a minute. I'm going to allow you to turn on your videos. Now, everyone turn on your videos. Okay. Now I'm checking the answers. Just a minute. Okay, I'm going to start with Fatma. Okay, Fatma. Okay, Fatma, where is the line of here? Where is the sign line of division here? Okay, now नीचे का दिखाइए. Last steps. Okay, okay. Then what is your answer? Turn your page. What is your answer? Your answer is, what is your answer? Just a minute. Fatma, please unmute yourself. Just a minute, Fatma. Fatma, what's your answer? Okay, now I'm going to check some more. Abdul Ahad. Okay, Abdul Ahad, I'm checking your answer. Your answer is what? Okay, right. 25 upon 3 whole 1 upon 8 is the answer. Please tell me. Hmm? 3 whole 1 upon 8 is the answer. Who says no? Why beta? Why no? Why you are saying that no, Maida? Talha, अब इसको ऐसे ही रखिए, Talha. Those who are getting wrong answer, please check the answer of Talha. Yes, Talha, your answer is absolutely right. Very good, Talha. Shabash. Okay, now I'm going to check, Talha. Okay, now you can stop your video. Okay, Maida, I'm checking what you are doing wrong. 25 divided by 8. So when you will divide 8 by 25, where is that solution of this step? 8 ones, beta, what you are doing? 8 to 16, are you in senses? 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, beta. Maida, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Correct this one. Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one. Okay, Mariam, I'm checking your answer. Okay, very good. Very good, Mariam. Last steps. What is your answer? Very good. Very good. Okay, now Abdur Rahman, I'm checking your answer. 25 divided by 4. Are you see, Abdur Rahman, please check why you are getting 4 in the denominator. Abdur Rahman, why you are getting 4 in the denominator, bete? No. Look at here. This is wrong, beta. Okay, Abdur Rahman, please check the Ali Rao answer and find out your mistake. Ali Rao. Yes, very neat work. Very good. Ali Rahman, Ali Rao, show the starting step. Okay, Abdur Rahman, you can check here that 64. You have to convert 64. You have to take the cube of 64. Okay, Ali Rao, add the line here. Okay, but just a minute. Do not turn off your video. Now, Abdur Rahman, look at here. What you have here, this one. Okay, 4 cube. 64 is a cube of 4. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay, when you are multiplying 3 with 6, so what you will get 4 cube. Okay, now look at here, Ali Rao. There are two mistakes. Number one, you will make a line here. Okay, you will make a line here and look at here. In this step, here you will make place the sign of multiplication here, here, and here. 6 multiplied by 1 upon 3, 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, and 6 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now do this correction. Okay, now I am checking Hamza answer. Okay, Hamza, very good. Okay, next page. Show the next page. Very good. Now Tabassum. Uh, very good, Tabassum. Okay, now Zimil. Okay, next page, Zimil. Very good. Very good. Okay, Iman Asif. Wow, Iman Asif. Very good, beta. Very good. Very good, Iman. Now, Meda. Okay, now it's right. Okay, Meda. Okay, Shiza. Okay, Shiza, your answer. Shiza, please place sign of multiplication. Shiza, 1 minute. Look at here. Please place the sign of multiplication here or otherwise place brackets. Okay, 6 multiply by 1 upon 3 or simply put the bracket. It's up to you. But I think you have to place here sign of multiplication. Okay, is it okay? Now, Manahil. Okay, Shiza, your answer is right. Okay, Manahil, next page. Manahil, next page. Now your answer is right. Very good, Manahil. Okay, Abdul Rahman. Okay, 25 upon 1, 25 upon 8. Okay, everyone. I can check all the answers. I have checked all the answers. So what you have to do, turn your homework page. Show me your homework, yesterday homework. Till then, I'm going to mark your attendance. So please do not go anywhere. Okay, open your homework page. Okay, now I'm going to check the homework. This is the homework of Abdul Rahman. Okay, Abdul Rahman. Just a minute. Time is almost running out. So, Abdul Ahad. Okay, I'll check it tomorrow. I'm going to end the session here. I'll check your homework tomorrow as well. Okay. So, if you want to ask anything, if you have any question, so you may ask right now. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, please write it down in the chat box. Okay, this is Faliha Raza. Okay, no question. Everything is clear. That's good. Okay, how was your class? Okay, how was your class?